These days, you're some phobic or the other. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yogasini, aka Radhika Bulls. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for taking out your precious time to watch this video.
Like, subscribe, comment anything. Just anything will work. Anything. And if you are an existing subscriber, you know I love you. Ja, mere pyar, tere paas, ja, whatever. Today we are going to read a very interesting story. There's a Reddit group called Are You the Asshole? No. Am I the Asshole? Ye beep kar dena, you know, I don't want to get demonetized. So it's called AITA because that's easier than saying the full form where I may just get in trouble. AITA is a forum. It's a Reddit page where people share their stories and then they ask the general public, aap, main, everyone in the planet Earth, to tell them whether they were the horrible person, they were in the wrong. So we are going to read one such story today. I'm so excited about this. I don't know why. I love reading other people's drama. Khud ka drama, I run away from. Other people's drama, I'm like, yeah, baby, tell me more. I want to listen. So I'm not going to waste time. I'm just going to start reading and you can see the joy on my face. So I don't know which country, who are these people, what nationality. It's not an offense to any nationality or community, gender, nothing. I have no idea who these people are and what the story is about. Today's AITA is, am I the a-hole for being fat phobic? Let's see. I, 21F, F meaning female, hosted a birthday dinner for my best friend. How sweet, baby. Baby? Hello, how sweet. I invited all her close friends, made the cake, made a ton of food. I knew everyone could enjoy and decorated the place with all her favorite things. I was exhausted and honestly, all that cooking kind of killed my appetite. Very sweet of you, Anna, to host a party for your friend. No, sorry, you're not Anna. Whoever you are, very sweet of you to host a party, birthday party for your friend Anna. These days,
Friends don't do much.
if they wish you on your birthday, that's a big deal because everyone is so busy with their lives. And I understand the feeling that when you do cook, you lose appetite because the time I did try to cook, I first failed at it and then I didn't feel like eating it. It could be because the food was so bad that it wasn't very appealing, or it's just I lost my appetite. तो होता है ये, जब आप cooking करते हो ना, आपको उस खाने का मन नहीं करता. Did you get what I said? Did I get what I said? Okay, continue. So when everyone was eating, I only had a couple of things before putting my plate away. One of the friends, let's call her Sarah. Sarah तो उसका नाम तो है नहीं, but ठीक है. Anna and Sarah noticed and asked what was wrong. I told her I just don't have that much of an appetite, but please don't stop on my account. ठीक है. Sarah asked कि आप खा क्यों नहीं रही हो? And madam, the OP, original poster, उन्होंने बोला कि खाने का मन नहीं है, appetite नहीं है. Simple, harmless. How can this thing become a drama and complicated? I don't know. Like, the first paragraph is like harmless chit chat happening at this birthday party. So then she's telling Sarah that I made all this food for everybody and enjoy. Perfect. She didn't say anything, just nodded and walked off. थोड़ा पैसिव अग्रेसिव नहीं है, नॉड करके वॉक ऑफ, मतलब कुछ तो बोलो, उस सेंटेंस को खत्म तो करो. No. Then we moved on to games and everyone had a blast until it was time to cut the cake.
Happy birthday wala cake. Birthday cake is my favorite. Like, I wish every day was my
Birthday so I could eat birthday cake every day. Like, I love cake. I love cake more than I love boys. These days I don't even love boys, I just love cake. Anyhow, continue. The cake was delicious and people were gobbling it up as they should because it was amazing. I only took a few bites of the cake before putting it away and Sarah once again walked up to me. ठीक है, फिर से एक altercation होने वाला है, एक conversation होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है इस story में? I already know, but suspense create कर रही हूँ मैं. She talked about how good the cake was and how everyone was downing it. Downing it मतलब inhaling and eating it like that. I laughed and I told her I was super happy everyone was enjoying it and I wish I could down my piece like everyone else. But I just finished a whole bottle of Mexican Coke earlier, so a few bites were all I could stomach right now. Mexican Coke क्या होता है? नॉर्मल कोक का नाम सुना हुआ है, डाइट कोक का नाम सुना हुआ है, जीरो कोक का नाम सुना हुआ है. मेक्सिकन कोक क्या होता है? I must see what is Mexican Coke.
I must know what is Mexican Coke. This curiosity of mine will not let me sleep if I don't know what is a Mexican Coke. Mexican Coke is Coke from Mexico.
What is the difference of Mexico? Yeah, video नहीं देखने का.
कोई blog post नहीं है which I can just read and tell you. Reddit पे ही देखते हैं. What is the truth about Mexican Coke? Does Mexican Coke
Have higher fructose corn syrup or not? To clarify, I live in CA. I don't care whether it has high fructose.
Coke, drinking Coke, well,
It's not that good. Once in a while is fine, but every day.
it's Mexican Coke, guys. I don't know.
The story is long. Let's continue. Okay, हम बाद में
Research कर लेगा.
what is about Mexican Coke. आप कर लो. आपके पास free time हो तो. Oh my God.
God, she went off on her. Like off.
मतलब off or off मतलब how could you? She went off on her. She started yelling at me about how I shouldn't have called her fat. Did I miss something? When did she call her fat? ये कब हुआ? I know I get distracted very quickly, but ये कब हुआ? नहीं, no. She didn't call you fat, Sarah. I don't think I did though. I don't think either. I don't think you did. And that I should be ashamed of making people feel guilty about eating. उसको खाना नहीं है, तुझको क्यों चिड़ मचड़ी है? मतलब Anna came over trying to calm Sarah down because now everyone was staring and wondering what was happening. Sarah made a scene as usual. Sarah is that friend who would just make drama everywhere. She is that friend who is trouble. Toxic AF.
Trouble, stay far away from her. Okay. बिना वजह ये
पूरे बात का पतंगर बनाने की क्या जरूरत थी?
उसको नहीं खाना.
तुमको खाना है, तुमको केक पसंद आया, तुमको पार्टी पसंद आया. बेचारी ने इतना कष्ट करके अपने फ्रेंड आना के लिए पार्टी अरेंज किया और instead of thanking her, you are complaining with your head in the backside. I don't know why am I taking this so personally. It's like Sarah called me fatphobic when I was just having a normal conversation with her. I tried to reach out to Sarah in an attempt to diffuse the nuclear war. I inadvertently, I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm sorry. Started, but she stormed off. Sarah has a stick up her there. Anna looked at me confused, and I just shrugged before telling everyone to continue as they were. The party eventually kicked back off, and I tried to text Sarah to come back and apologize. No, wait, what? One sec, let me read this again. The party kicked off, okay. I tried to text Sarah to come back and apologized, but just left me on red. She messaged Sarah saying, I'm sorry, I don't know for what. And that woman didn't even have the courtesy to reply. Like, left her on red, like all the a-holes I have dated who never bothered to give me closure. You're one of them, sweetie Sarah. I don't know why OP has apologized. She didn't say anything. She didn't do anything. Story continues. Now a few days later, Anna's friend refused to talk to me. Anna's friends refused to talk to her. Acha, theek hai. Maybe they have common friends. Sarah has spread the word that I'm fatphobic and everyone is eating it up. I know I'm not as close to them as Anna is, but it still hurts that they seem to believe Sarah so easily without attempting to understand the whole situation. Sweetie, nobody cares. You know, when people start bitching about their best friends to other people, people are just listening. They're just sounding boards. If they are that fickle-minded, if they are so immature, they'll believe that story. They won't care to know both sides. They're like, okay, you are closer to me, I believe you, period. And some people don't care. They're just listening. And if they are behaving badly with you after listening to the one side of the story, then they were never your friends. And don't consider them even acquaintances. They are just strangers who like to gossip. That's it. Simple. I know it's not worrisome, but khatakta hai ki someone out there is bitching about you when you've done nothing wrong. It's irritating for sure. But these people, if they're going to believe Sarah, then you're better off without them, to be honest. My best friend tried to explain to them it was a simple miscommunication, but no one seems to be listening. The only thing that apparently helped the situation is a full-blown apology from me in person to Sarah. Sarah's words to my friend. But I really don't think I did anything wrong. So Reddit, please weigh in. I'm so confused. Matlab, Sarah, she apologized. Anna apologized during the party which she was hosting for her best buddy. She apologized and said, come back. And that woman just left her on red. And now this piece of fresh dung wants an apology, a person to person apology. Like, and not Anna, OP has to come out of her house, make a plan to meet this woman who insulted her at her party and apologize for being fat phobic, which is a scenario Sarah created in her head because she's passive aggressive, because she is projecting. She is insecure about her body, about her weight. And because she's seeing someone who's not eating, it's triggering some emotion in her. And she is just projecting and being a complete bully to OP. And that's my opinion. And I don't think in anywhere OP is an a-hole. She seems sweet. She's put in the work. Maybe she's new in the city. She just knows Anna and her friends. She doesn't know the dynamics. She doesn't know that Sarah is passive-aggressive and is just a complete nightmare. Because if OP had known, she would have been like, yeah, I'll eat later. Yeah, I'll eat after everyone goes. But clearly, Anna doesn't know Sarah. And Sarah is a number. Like, she is a number for sure. So no, OP, you are not an a-hole. But there is more to this story. There has been an edit. But before I tell you the edit, I want to know what the other Redditors have said. Okay. The first comment is, Sarah has spread the word that I'm fat phobic and everyone is eating it up. I'm done. You did nothing wrong. I'd meet with Sarah and ask her what you did wrong specifically. How will you apologize if you don't know what you did? I'm guessing she will not be actually be able to articulate that. She just wants to create drama. She just wants you to not have a backbone, meet to her needs, bow down to her, saying, Sarah, I am at your beck and call. I will apologize till the end of time for a scenario you created in your head. Someone has shared my dil ki baat. I'm sorry you're so self-conscious about your weight that me not shoveling food offended you. Perfect apology. You did nothing wrong. She's in the wrong. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Lock her. Keep Anna as your friend. Tell Anna, listen, you are friends with Sarah and these periphery friends, you be friends. You are closest to me. I only care about you. The other people, the Sarah and the lot can just jump off a cliff. I don't care. But let's see what has OP edited and mentioned. Oh gosh, I didn't expect this to blow up the way it did. The way my phone kept going off in class. But here's an update for any that are curious. I texted Anna throughout all of this, and apparently Sarah has been going around telling the friend group a completely different story than what happened. That's why they've been icing me out. Does she know what is Sarah's story? Like, what is the story she's telling everybody? From what Anna can gather, she's been saying I was the one who went up to her and made comments about how much she ate, which never happened. BS. OP was throwing a party. She had to make a cake. She had to host people. She had to feed people. You think in all of that, she has the time to go to Sarah's? Like, how can you eat so much? Oh God. Please, Anna, your friends are stupid. I have nothing else to say if they're believing that story. I'm over this petty drama, so I just texted everyone in the group chat and let them know they can believe what they want. Yeah, believe what you want. For what is worth, Anna is 100% on my side since she knows I'm not the type to police who eats what. I'm graduating soon with my uni degree, so I have better things to worry about. If they respond, I'll let you all know what they say. I think, OP, you are an idiot, if not an a-hole. You shouldn't have apologized to her in the first place at the party when she was going. These people don't need any more attention. They live in their Lala world where they think they are the center of attention. They are the protagonist, the main character. Everyone is there. I will not say that, but everyone is beneath them. So the fact that you apologized to her in the first place was ridiculous. But yes, I understand you were being a good host. You did not want to create drama and you told, and because of Anna's sake, you asked Sarah to come back to solve the issue. You were the bigger person. You wanted to make sure everyone went away from your party happy. But she just wanted to create drama because clearly she's insecure about something. I don't know whether that insecurity is a personal insecurity with OP or she's just made up this story in her head that everyone is watching her and everyone who's not towing her line is fat phobic. Oh my God, I think I just said everything in one. So let me know if you liked my take on this. Am I the fat phobic person in this story? See you next time with another video, another story, another review. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see. Bye. बहुत गर्मी है या गर्मी. Bye bye.